Do you want to know how the wrong undertone concealer can affect your makeup? If you are interested in that, please keep watching and then share this video after you have watched it with someone else, because the wrong undertone of anything you have on your face will put off your makeup. The Black Radiance one does not have a name, but it has a number. 1320497 is the number, and it is True Complexion Long Wear Concealer. If you look at it very closely, it looks like my skin tone, right? But I'll show you why it's not. It doesn't work with my undertone. When you look at this one, it looks very nice. And if I put them together, they look close. But this one has a little yellow and this one does not. I will swatch them so you can see what I mean. The Black Radiance on my left, which will be your right, I have not put any primer on yet. I just want to show you before we start. You see this concealer? If I put it right here, can you see it? And I'll put more so you can see. This is it right here, right? I'll go a little away from the light. You see it? It looks like it's my skin. But if you look pretty close, you'll see that it's a little gray with a tad, when I say small amount of pink, it has it in there. If you look at it, you will see it. Now, the bone this way, I'm putting it on my right, which will be your left. And I am going, I didn't shake it either. I'm just putting it on so you can see. You see, under the light and away from the light. Can you see what I am seeing? You see the difference? Now I'm going to put them side by side. Okay, you might say, oh, from this side it looks fine and this side it looks fine. Now I'm going to put them side by side so you can see why it is the wrong shade and why it has a grayish undertone, because it's on the neutral side. When I put it side by side, can you see? You see it, right? See, it's like, oh, it will blend into your skin. But then when you look at this one, which has yellow in it, it suits me better because I have yellow in my skin, my undertone. If you look on my cheeks, right in the middle of my forehead, I have a little yellow. Now I'm going to do the same thing with this, and I'm going to put it next to it so you can see. And I'm pointing to where I have a lot of yellow so you can see it, because I want you to be aware of when you pick up something that doesn't have the right undertone, then it doesn't work properly. Now, see, I put it next to it. Can you see the difference now? I'll go like this. You see the difference? One has more yellow, one has more gray, like a grayish pink. You see it? This is neutral. This is my correct undertone right here because I have yellow in my skin. Anything that has pink, gray will not work. It will put my, if I put this on and I put makeup on it, my makeup looks different. And I'm going to show you what I mean. So this is the Black Radiance, which is a neutral. And this is the Born This Way, which is my correct shade. It has a little bit of yellow undertone and it works very good for me. It matches me. So I just want you to see that. Now I'm going to take it off, prime my face, and then come back to do half and half of my face. Keep watching and you'll see the difference come full circle. Now let's make this come full circle. I have primer on and I have two wedges. I have a pink sponge on my right, which will be your left, I have a blue sponge, which is on my left, which will be your right. Now, this is the black radiance. I'm going to put it on my left, which will be your right. And we will see everything we need to see about this. Half of my face. I want to show you. So when you go and you purchase concealer, you will be aware to check and make sure it will match your undertone. Blue. I'm putting very little under my eye. I just want to blend it in properly because we're going to set it with powder, face powder, so you can see how it changes everything. This is the black radiance side. You see it? It looks like it matched me very good, doesn't it? But then when you look at my cheeks, if you look here, you see the yellow. It doesn't come through over here. It is a good concealer. It is just not the right undertone for me. I can get away with it, but it's not the right undertone. Black radiance on my left, which will be your right. Now, Too Faced. And the shade I have in the Too Faced is called Chai. Take a look. As soon as I put it, you can see. Let me know in the comments your feedback about this video. Commenting, sharing your comments, sharing the video, all that helps on YouTube. Pink. I am going to do the same thing I did on the black radiance side. I'm going to do it on this side. I'm going to take it and spread it everywhere. And let me know your feedback. Tell me what you think. Which one you think works best for me. This is the Chai by Born This Way. Now, this is the Chai Born This Way. This is it. This is the black radiance. You see the difference in the sponge? You see the difference on my skin? The yellow in my undertone is coming through with it because you can see it has yellow in there. When you look at the bottle, when I put it by my face, that doesn't always determine, but since I'm getting better and better at determining which color shade works best for my undertone, you can see the yellow? If I put it here, you don't see yellow here. If I were to put the black radiance next to it, you can see, right? See? This is the opposite side. Chai is on my right, which will be your left. Black radiance is on my left, which will be your right. I just want to show you when I put the bottles close, you can see. Now, back in the right order. Born This Way, Chai, my right, your left. See it? I'm under the light. I want you to see everything. Black radiance, my left, your right. You see it? It looks like it works, but in person, it makes me much, much darker. And over here, you can see the yellow. If you look at my forehead, you can see black radiance is right here. It's like a shadow. And Chai just fits right in. Take a look. This is like a shadow. You see it? This is Chai. Now, I am going to powder it. And we will see. I'm going to use one powder to do both sides. And we will see. But I'll use two different sponges because I don't want to contaminate. I want you to see the exact thing what I'm talking about. Black radiance. It is in neutral, so it makes me darker. Chai, which is the right undertone for my skin, makes me look just alive, the same, it doesn't change. It makes me look brighter, really. So you can tell the difference. Black Radiance, chai, born this way. But this is the Clinique 20 Stay Nutmeg Face Powder. I'm going to take this puff for the chai, born this way side. I'm going to take this puff for the Black Radiance side. I hope you can see the difference. I hope. Face powder, it's not foundation, it's a face powder. This is the shade. I'm going to start on the Black Radiance side. Just want to set it lightly because I have oily skin and I cannot afford to have anything running and melting down my skin because that oil will take it down. I brought it down by my neck here so you can see right here. Now I've set it. This is the Black Radiance. It looks nice. I can get away with it like I say, but I know it's not the right undertone because it makes me much darker than what I really look like. Now for the Born This Way, I'm doing the same thing. I'm going to set very lightly. I'm not setting heavy, I'm just setting lightly because I want you to see what it looks like. Fluffy brush, very lightly because everything looks dewy on me because I have a semi-matte primer on, so I do look a little dewy. Okay, now tell me if you can still see the difference. This is the Born This Way. This is the Black Radiance. I can see a difference because I'm looking at it. Tell me if you can see a difference. I'm going to swatch it in the back of my hand so you can see what I'm talking about. Bring it closer. Black Radiance, Born This Way. You see why I can get away with it? But then when it's on my face, you can see the difference. Okay, if you look right here, that line right here looks darker. If you look on this side, you don't see a shadow. You see right here, you don't see a shadow. Comes all the way down, you don't see a shadow. But when you look over here, right here, I can see it. There is a shadow that comes down. This is the two shades. And I'll go further. Hopefully you can see it better. Black Radiance, Born This Way. Two concealers. One will give me the perfect match, the right skin undertone, and mesh in my skin and make it just look flawless. The other one, which is the wrong undertone, will bring out like a darkness, a shadow on my skin. Look at my jawline right here. And look at my jawline right here. You see the difference? I hope that was very helpful to you. And again, Black Radiance and Born This Way concealer. Thank you for watching. I'm asking you please to watch a playlist. Let it run. That's all you have to do. You don't have to comment to all of them. You can just let it run. And remember, if this video right here was helpful to you, it might be helpful to somebody else. Please share it. It keeps me alive on YouTube. I thank you very much from the bottom of my heart for watching and commenting. Until I see you and you see me, I want you to do something special for you. Something special for you. Bye.